Hey man, let's talk about something real. You gave her your time, your energy, your loyalty, and she still walked away. Maybe she thought the grass was greener on the other side. Maybe she thought she could do better. Or maybe she just never fully appreciated you in the first place. But here's the truth. You don't make her regret losing you by chasing, begging, or proving your worth. You do it by becoming the man she never thought you could be. The one she secretly hoped you wouldn't become. Step 1. The instant shift. The first mistake most guys make. They linger. They wait. They keep the door open, hoping she'll come back. But the moment she walks away, you have to disappear. No long emotional messages. No checking up on her. No "I miss you" texts. Cut the cord instantly, because nothing shakes someone more than realizing they no longer have access to you. She expects you to crumble. She expects you to wait. When you don't, that's when doubt creeps into her mind. Step 2. Level up. Silently. The second she's gone, your only focus should be you, your mind, your body, your ambition. Hit the gym like a man possessed. Focus on your goals. Get your finances right. Upgrade your wardrobe. Sharpen your mindset. Not to impress her, but to elevate yourself. Because nothing screams, "I don't need you" louder than undeniable growth. And here's the twist. When she sees you thriving without her, it'll mess with her head. Step 3. The power of indifference. Regret doesn't come from what's lost. It comes from what's irreplaceable. She'll only feel regret if she sees that you're unaffected. That's why you must master the power of indifference. If she reaches out, be polite but distant. Short replies, no emojis, no emotion. Let her feel that shift, that distance, that change in you. It'll make her question everything. Step 4. The social proof effect. Women are competitive by nature. If she sees other women drawn to you, her mind will start racing. Why do they want him? Did I miss something? She'll start comparing herself, wondering if she made a mistake. This isn't about making her jealous. It's about showing that you're valuable, desired, and that she wasn't your only option. Step 5. The ultimate move. Walking away for good. Now you might be thinking, okay, but when does she come back? That's the wrong mindset. The point isn't to get her back. The point is to become so unshakable, so high value, that whether she regrets losing you or not, it doesn't even matter to you anymore. Because the moment you truly move on is the moment she'll feel it. And that is when she'll regret letting you go the most. So here's the takeaway. Don't chase. Don't beg. Don't seek revenge. Just disappear, level up, and let your absence do the talking. And if she regrets losing you, good. But by then, you'll have become the kind of man who doesn't even care anymore. Stay focused. Stay sharp. Stay irreplaceable.